So it's Christmas Eve. I have not done anything with my appearance today apart from putting my contact lenses, but I did just wrap some presents because I had not wrapped any presents up until this point. I love how I leave everything super last minute. Last night me and my brother actually made brownies, and then I watched some TV with my family, so I didn't actually vlog yesterday, I don't think, but today I've got a few things I need to do. I need to wrap some more presents, I need to wash my hair and like make it all nice for Christmas. I want to play some Mario Kart with Andrew. And what else do I need to do? Oh, also I really want to change my bedding so that it's that really nice like brushed tartan bedding that I had last Christmas. I don't know if any of you guys remember. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do today. But I really need to go wash my hair. I swear my hair is getting darker. Like it used to be like really light blonde, but I swear now this is like classed as dark blonde. I don't even know. Right, so catching up on my beauty advent calendars. We've only got a couple left and today is the 24th. So the Boots one, 23 is a Jack Wills body lotion. Actually, wait, maybe I should save that till later and like unbox it right before I go to bed. I think I will do that. I'm gonna save all of the last stores and then do them just before I go to bed because I want to like make my bed and everything. In the Sleek one, what does this go up to? Does this go up to 24? Oh, this one goes up to 25. So I will save this store because obviously I'm not going to be vlogging on Christmas Day, so I'll save that one for later. 23 is... This is a lip pencil in the shade Raspberry, and then 24 is down here. This is a mini Matte Me liquid lipstick in the shade Birthday Suit, which I used to love this. The Body Shop, this one also goes up to 25. Oh, didn't mean to do that. This is one of the matte liquid lipsticks in the shade Tahiti Hibiscus, which is like a burgundy red. And then 24, this feels very lightweight. What? Oh. Okay, that really confused me for a sec. I just remembered that for 24, I unboxed this a while back because it was a coconut body butter, but one of my friends really wanted it, so I gave it to my friend Ellie. So I'm sorry there's nothing in this, but it was a full-size coconut body butter. And then finally, Glossy Box. Door number 25 is over here. So let's do 23. This is an Ico Fat Eye Stick in like a silvery shade, and it says intense colour and glossy finish. Interesting, I've never tried one of these before. Then 24 is this one. Oh, this is a face oil by a brand called Mitchell & Peach. I've never heard of it before. Why did my camera suddenly go so bright? This is a Fine Radiance face oil. That's actually really exciting because I love skincare stuff at the moment. I will have to give this a try. I am actually the worst at wrapping presents. I just can't do it neatly. What is this? So I washed my hair and done my makeup, but it looks so strange because I didn't put any foundation on. I literally just put some concealer on the spots on my chin. I put a tiny bit of concealer on my nose and then the tiniest bit under my eyes. And then I was just gonna leave it there and like do mascara and then just put some Gimme Brow in my brows. That's what I did, but then I decided for some reason to have bronzer and highlighter, but it looks really weird because I'm not actually wearing any foundation. So I am gonna dry my hair now and then I'm gonna go play some Mario Kart. I just blow dried my hair straight, which I've never done before. I kind of just put it up into sections and then got my hairbrush and like dried it straight, which I've never done, and I'm not really sure why. Just because I didn't know how to do it. I think it turned out okay, but it's just these like little front pieces that like I can't quite get to that have gone a bit like frizzy still, but I'll probably like run the straighteners over it later. But why have I never thought to do this before? I'm considering getting one of the Dyson Airwraps, and if I do, I will test it in a video because I know they're ridiculously expensive, but I'm kind of hoping that it will go on sale after Christmas because I'm just so desperate to try. My camera battery ran out, but what I was saying was I straighten my hair so much and I know that it's super damaging, and the Dyson thingy Airwrap doesn't use extreme heat, and obviously it like dries your hair and can straighten it and curl it in one, so I'm kind of hoping to get one of those with my Christmas money, but we'll see. If I do get it, I'll definitely do a video on it. If you guys want to see that, let me know. But I'm now going to go downstairs and play Mario Kart with my brother. Also, I think my brother's girlfriend is also playing online with us, with her brother. That's what I've heard, so I feel like it's a tradition to play Mario Kart with Andrew on Christmas Eve. Guys, look how delicious these brownies look. This was the Mary Berry recipe. If you haven't tried it, it's honestly like the best brownie recipe that I've used. They're so good.
You'll need to add your... Oh, hang on, I need to go back out and then add... Hang on, I need to leave this and then add soap to it.
You haven't been in my vlog yet.
Have I? this year.
No. Do you want to say hi to the vlog?
Me? There we go. Okay, now I can see.
Yay! Why are you wearing reindeer antlers?
I don't know. Read that more. Breath of Wild. Oh, here we go.
Hey!
Oh, damn it!
It's blue shot.
Oh, it's blue shot, that's fine. You overtook me just before that.
No! No! Oh my god, was that you?
Yep, sorry.
What's that? Oh no!
Why is it targeting me? Target me!
Oh my god, I'm now sixth. I was second.
Oh god, I'm 6 now. Oh my
Are
word.
you serious?
You kidding me?
What has just happened?
Why was there such a
No!
cluster of people?
Andrew, what the hell just actually happened? I
What
was
happened?
coming third and then I was second and I just came 11th. In the past like 10 seconds, loads of people just came out of nowhere. Why is he just not caring at all?
He's actually purring.
Christmas time, mistletoe and... Okay, he's had enough now. But the reason I'm bent down so awkwardly right now is because I'm bending down to my laptop trying to upload my vlog, because I just realised that I completely forgot to upload my vlog from yesterday. So I'm going to do that now. Also, just while I'm making the thumbnail for my new video and doing the tags and stuff, I'm watching the Princess Switch and I actually kind of love it. I just finished watching the Princess Switch and okay, overall reviews. Basically 2 of my friends had watched it. One of them said that they thought I'd really like it and that they thought it was really good. Another one thought it was shit. I can kind of see both points of view. Like, it was kind of like really cheesy and bad, but at the same time really good. Like, I quite like cheesy films, and I don't know, like it's definitely like a feel-good film, and you know, I feel like I'm in a better mood now that I've watched it, so I'm glad that I watched it. It was pretty festive as well, so I need to change this bedding at some point, but you know when you just put something off for ages, I just can't be arsed. And then tonight for dinner I'm actually cooking my family food, because I've recently kind of like been doing some cooking and learning how to cook and stuff, like actual stuff from scratch, because before I would just like put food in the oven from like a freezer packet. So I think tonight I'm gonna cook my family orange chicken. I've got like a recipe. I'll try and remember to link the recipe down below. It's like a healthy orange chicken and it's so delicious, so I'm gonna make that for everyone, which is exciting. I haven't like cooked them a proper meal before, so fingers crossed that goes well. Well, when I say healthy, I mean like healthier, because normally orange chicken is like really unhealthy, but this particular recipe, like, it's healthier. So this is currently what the tree underneath the tree is looking like. I wrapped all my presents earlier, which you guys saw really badly. I'm so bad at wrapping, but yeah, I've put them all down here, so I'm so excited for tomorrow. So I've just made my sauce for the orange chicken. This is the recipe that I used. It's from a website called Simple Healthy Kitchen, just in case any of you guys are interested, but I've done slightly more sauce than it suggests, because normally I do this amount of sauce for serving 2 people. Because I'm serving 4, like instead of doubling it, I feel like that might be a bit much. I just decided to add like an extra half onto everything. So yeah, this is the sauce. I now just got to chop the chicken and cook the chicken and do the rice and everything, and then you add the sauce afterwards. But yeah, this is what it looks like so far. Not very interesting, but there we go. Yay! Guys, look at my drink. It's got a flower in it, but it kind of looks like an animal. It's really creepy looking. This is a lot of chicken. Yeah, I think I'm recording. I am recording.
Sure? Oh yeah, you are.
Beautiful sight, we're happy tonight, walking it away, wonderland.
So I've just added the sauce, and it's just like starting to thicken. It smells really good, actually. I don't know.
Yeah,
if
it
I
does.
like this.
Yeah, no.
I hope you will. I mean, I like it, so.
I'll still eat it either way. I'm
Oh,
starving.
look, it looks so good. It's starting to get thick.
Right, I need to prepare the rice.
Dinner went down really well. It was delicious. My parents really liked it. Andrew liked it because he hadn't tried the recipe before. But it was really good actually. And then I had my Mary Berry brownies for dessert, which were delicious. Me and my family have just been watching the Father Ted Christmas special downstairs, which is so great. I love Father Ted. If you haven't watched it, it's a really old program, but it's actually hilarious. It's so funny. But now I just realized that I wanted to change my bedding before Christmas, so I'm gonna do that now. It might take me a while, but I just really want the feeling of having like nice fresh bed sheets for Christmas. Do you guys know what I mean? And also the bed sheets that I have are really like Christmassy tartan ones, so that's what I'm gonna do. This is the bedding that I'm putting on. It's from Primark and it's made, like, I don't really know how well you can kind of tell on camera. I think you can kind of see, but it's made of this really nice like brushed cotton material, and it's just so soft and cozy and warm, and it was obviously like red checked. I feel like it's so Christmassy. And then obviously I've got all my Christmas cushions, so I'm going to take this one off, which I think this one I got on eBay like last year, maybe the year before, and replace it with this, so wish me luck. So this is my finished Christmas bed. I have no idea how people make their beds look so nice. You know, like when they spread out the duvet and make it all like flat and non-wrinkly. I don't get how people do that, but I mean, to be honest, I don't really care anyway. I'm one of those people that doesn't make my bed like very often. Well, I basically never make my bed just because I'm like, well, I'm going to be sleeping in it, so what's the point? Oh, but how Christmassy does this look? If anyone had to guess my age right now, I don't think they would say I was 21. I've just gone like full out festive, and I don't have a problem with that. No shame. Okay, so I'm gonna unbox the final doors of my advent calendars. And I just thought I'd do it sitting on my bed because it looks really cozy and cute. So the final door of the sleep one is, it would be great if I could find it. Oh, here. Number 25. Okay, so the final door of the sleep one is a lipstick, the Lip VIP in the shade Couture, which is like a dark burgundy red brown sort of shade. The Sleek advent calendar overall was alright. I think it was the cheapest out of all of the ones that I've had. You got quite a lot of lip liners in here. The thing that I didn't like about this was the little eyeshadow palettes that have got like really tiny eyeshadows in, because no one can really use them. But then again, it was the cheapest, so it was like, if you wanted a makeup advent calendar that was affordable, I think it was £35 and you get £55 worth of stuff, then it was like fun to open. Then the Boots one, which I really liked this year actually. I mean, I haven't tried it before, this is the first year I've had it, but it's been a really good one. 24 is the last door of this, I think. Am I just being dumb? No, there's only 24. Yes! Oh my god, okay, this is a number 7 Protect and Perfect Intense Advanced Eye Cream. Like I said, I love skincare, so I'm very excited about this, and I think this is a full size one. The number 7 skincare stuff is so good. I love their SPF, so very excited to try that. That's definitely been a good beauty advent calendar, I think. I'm not sure how much this one was. I think it might have been about £60. Then we have the Body Shop one. Look how sad this looks. I kind of prefer the ones that have doors rather than boxes, because I find the doors so much more satisfying to open. Okay, in door number 25, what the heck is this? This is like an owl-shaped flannel face cloth thing. I think it's a flannel, but it's like the shape of an owl. That is actually adorable, and it says, "And into the forest I go to lose my mind and find my soul." That's quite deep, but that's actually really cute. And then the final one, which has been my favourite, is the Glossy Box calendar, which as you can see is freaking huge. And I do actually already know what is in this, because whose video was it I watched? I watched somebody's vlog where they did like a sponsored video with this, and they opened the last door, so it kind of spoiled it. But this is, if I can open it, this is a Huda Beauty highlighter palette. Which I can't get out. There we go. This is the Huda Beauty Winter Highlighter Palette. Whoops. Which in itself, I think this is £40. It's either 40 or 50, like it's an expensive one. However, I have had this before and I ended up selling it because the colours just aren't really for me. Let me show you. Like, they're really nicely pigmented and everything. This one is a cream kind of yellow gold, and then the rest of them are like blue, pink, and kind of like another yellowy gold sort of colour. So it's more of like a colourful highlighter palette. Like, it's really pretty, but I just don't really wear these type of shades. This is definitely going to be going in a future giveaway. Oh my god, I'm actually really sad that it's over. The advent calendars are empty. I feel like there's always like a build up to Christmas, and then when Christmas is over it's like, oh, well there goes that for another year. I don't know, I just really like it now that now, because obviously like my brother's moved out and stuff, I don't get to see him that often, so I get really excited for Christmas because I get to see him and he's home and I can like play games with him, and like tonight we cooked together, which was really nice. And like my whole family can just like watch films. My dad has time off work, like it's just, my mum has time off work, like it's just really nice. And then also on Boxing Day as well, I'm seeing my whole family, which has got so many people. We've got like 20, I think like 24 people, which is like quite a large amount, and none of us have particularly big houses, so it's a bit of a squeeze, but it's always fun. So yeah, I'll get to see like all my cousins and aunt and uncle and grandparents and stuff. And on actual Christmas Day tomorrow, my grandparents are coming over, and then also my aunt and uncle as well, so that should be really fun. And yeah, I'm so excited for the food. I just wanted to say like a big thank you to you guys if you have been watching my vlogs this December. I'm really sorry that I didn't get a chance to do like full-on vlogmas. I honestly don't know how I did it last year, but honestly this year if I'd have done it, my vlogs, I mean my vlogs haven't even been that interesting anyway, but it would have been so unbelievably boring because most of my days in December were like pretty chilled, and like, well, I did quite a lot of exciting things as well, but like just the average day is so, like they're so similar to each other. Like I wake up, I will film, I will edit, and then like that's pretty much it. Like make some dinner, have some snacks, like, you know, it's nothing particularly exciting, and I didn't want to like fake anything just for the vlogs to make it seem extra exciting, if you know what I mean. So, and also obviously I wanted to spend time with like my friends and family and stuff, and I don't like to vlog that too much because I just want to like live in the moment or whatever, and not be like shoving a camera in their face and stuff. So yeah, but if you guys have been watching my vlogs this December, thank you. I really appreciate it, and I will be vlogging into 2019. What a crazy year this has been. I might do another vlog between now and New Year, but I also might not. Like I might just take some time off, I'm not really sure. But I am going to be filming a what I got for Christmas video, so that will be up. It won't be up on Christmas Day just because I want to take a break. But yeah, it should be up a few days after Christmas, maybe like the 28th or something. We'll see. So I hope you guys have an amazing Christmas if you do celebrate Christmas, and if you don't celebrate Christmas, I hope you just have a really good time whatever you're doing, wherever you are. I hope you have an amazing day, and yeah, I will see you guys in my next vlog. Bye.